Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about, earning up to 20% on your crypto with KriptoEarn. Yeah, you heard that right, 20%. So, grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of on-chain staking. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is KriptoEarn? Well, think of it as staking made simple. It's like putting your crypto to work, earning rewards effortlessly while you're catching some Z's at the office, or binge watching your favorite series. So, why KriptoEarn? It's the easiest way to do direct on-chain staking, all from your Cryptomat wallet. Plus, it's super secure. Your assets are stored safely on the blockchain you choose, no need to worry about a thing. And let's talk about those rewards. It's the smart way to grow your crypto portfolio. Don't let your assets gather dust in your wallet when they could be out there making gains. KriptoEarn is the key to unlocking those great rewards. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. KriptoEarn supports various cryptocurrencies, each with its own attractive rate. Check this out. Polkadot, DOT 14.3% per year. Cosmos, Atom a whopping 20% per year. Cardano, 86.5% per year. Ethereum, ETH 5.09% per year. Impressive, right? And here's the best part. You can grow your crypto portfolio without investing a single cent. Here's how it works. Step 1. Own crypto. Buy or transfer your supported crypto into your Cryptomat account. Step 2. Move crypto to KriptoEarn. Specify how much you want to stake. Step 3. Earn rewards. Watch as you receive free crypto rewards automatically. It's like magic, but for your wallet. But wait, what's on-chain staking? It might sound complicated, but fear not, we've got your back. Staking is like temporarily transferring your crypto to a special wallet to support a blockchain's security and verification processes. Cryptomat takes care of all the technical details, and in return you earn rewards. It's like earning interest on a savings account, but way cooler. Now you might be wondering, what happens if the crypto market takes a dive? Well, with KriptoEarn, you keep acquiring crypto at the agreed rate, whether the prices go up or down. Imagine having a stash of Polkadot or Ethereum growing by 5%, 10%, 15% without investing a dime. It's like a crypto party that never stops. Just a heads up though, if the price of your staked crypto drops more than the rate you're earning, your net value might be a bit lower when you cash out in euros. So, keep an eye on those market trends. And the burning question, when do you get those sweet rewards? Well, that depends on the blockchain network and its staking mechanism. Rewards vary, but trust me, it's worth the wait. So, what are you waiting for? Join KriptoEarn now using the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the crypto party. It's time to let your money work for you. Hit that like button, share with your crypto buddies, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy staking!